Today we're making sour apple popcorn, and to do that we're using this green apple floss sugar, same thing that they use to make cotton candy. We're also using this sour attitude. This is from Gold Medal sour rye mix that we're going to be adding to this popcorn to give it a try. We've never used this before, so this will be totally new for us. So we're excited to give that a shot. We're also using some compound S to make all that sugar stick to those kernels. We're using 3 cups of mushroom popcorn and 1.5 cups of corn oil. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of kernels. All right, we're starting to pop. Now we're gonna add in some of the green apple floss sugar, and compound S. Oh yeah, look at that nice bright green. Compound S is foaming up. Starting to pop. Oh yeah, look at that nice bright green. In here, get some of those unpopped kernels sifted out of here. Mini sifter. Alright, now it's still nice and hot. I'm going to take this popcorn, we're going to put it in a cooling tray. Now, we're gonna take that sour attitude, we're gonna start to sprinkle it all over the top. Two tablespoons of sour attitude. Mix it up. And we might add a little bit more. We're gonna try it, and we're gonna see if we need to add more to it. Let's give it a look. Oh yeah, you can see that sour attitude stuck right to it. And give it a try. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's really good. Oh, it's really sour, but in such a good way. It makes the apple like just become super bold, like super sour apple. That is so good. Oh, this stuff is great. First time we've ever tried it. Really good. Definitely recommend it. We're gonna have to try to make some other flavors with this. Remember, you can make this too, so get out there and get popping.